How to recover Monopoly Go account without Facebook. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Monopoly Go app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to recover your Monopoly Go account without using Facebook, first thing is you need to make sure that you are logged in. And in this home interface, at the top right corner, you can see the 3 lines icon, tap on it. At the bottom, you can see the settings icon, tap on it. In this settings space, you can see this customer service option, tap on it. It'll take you to the support page of Monopoly Go. If you scroll down to the bottom, here you can see chat with us option, tap on it. Now you are connected to the live agent, so you can write your issues over here. You can write a message on why you want to recover your Monopoly Go account without using Facebook. You can give your username and other user information, and after completely reviewing your messages, the customer service department will get back to you with the response. So you will have to wait patiently until you get the response from them. And that's it. That's how you can easily recover your Monopoly Go account without using Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.